In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise using open fifths on the white keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Classic beginner pentascale hand positions. We use them for the pentascales, we use them for triads, and we use them for open fifths. We're just not using any of the middle three fingers. In either hand, both hands are going to be just using the thumbs and the fifth fingers in these open fifths. And we're going to be in the same positions, meaning the leftmost note will be the same. So C in this case, and then up to the G. Those are block open fifths in both hands. Now what we're going to do block open fifths all the way up, 8 repetitions in all of these hand positions. One white key, moving up by one white key at a time. We're going to get to the C above middle C in terms of the right hand thumb. And then we're going to repeat that one and come back down. One hand position at a time. So it's going to be like this. We're going to hit this one again and come down. Simple concept, both hands working block. I'm going to go a little slower. That's a great beginner's exercise. Give that a shot.